Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video, I'm going to share another 15 minutes practice so that you can practice at your own convenience. So let's begin. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. Keep your head, neck, spine straight, eyes closed. Become aware of your whole body from head to toe. Feel the flow of breath for a few seconds. Now slowly bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Start to rub. Feel the heat. Now bring this energy to your eyes. Cover your eyelids. Stay there for 3, 2, and 1. Gently uncover and open your eyes. We are going to start with Marjariasana. So take the position, keep your feet relaxed, your palm and knee in one straight line, arms and thighs perpendicular to the mat. As you inhale, move your head up and back. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up and back. Exhale, head down. Observe the curve on my back. As I am inhaling, there is the depth in the curve. When I am exhaling, the back is raised up. Keep moving. Inhale, head up and back. Exhale, head in. Go slow, stretch your breath. Okay, now lift the right leg up, bend it from the knee. Try to bring your right foot as close as possible to the head. Move your head back. As you exhale, bring your knee in, head in. Inhale, head up, leg up. Exhale, knee in, head in. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, knee in, head in. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, knee in, head in. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, knee in, head in. Up and back. Exhale, in. Release. Same thing on the other side. Left leg up and back. Exhale, knee in, head in. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, head in, knee in. Keep moving. Breathe. Go slow. This is a 15-minute practice, but you can increase the time. If you have more time to practice, you can do more rounds. Up and back. Exhale. Bring it in. Inhale, up and back. Exhale. In. Good. Relax. Now place your buttocks on your heels, forehead on the mat. Arms extended forward. Child pose. Balasana. Relax. Now from here, move to Bhujangasana. As you inhale, exhale, go back to Balasana, child position. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Balasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Balasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Balasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Balasana. Now inhale, Bhujangasana and hold. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly back to Balasana. Relax. Breathe. Now slowly up in Bhujangasana. Hold. Breathe. Normally, naturally. Now slowly bring your chin down on the mat. Exhale. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale. Turn your head back on the right side. Look towards the left heel. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, chin down on the mat. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, turn your head on the left, look towards the right heel. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, chin down on the mat. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, head turn to the right, look towards the left heel. Exhale back to the center, bring it down. Inhale up again. Exhale, turn your head to the side. Inhale back to the center. Exhale down. Now inhale up. Exhale, turn to the right, look towards the left heel. Hold with normal and natural breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the head in the center. Exhale down. Inhale up. Turn your head to the left. Look towards the right heel. Hold. Hold with normal breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your head back to the center. As you exhale, move to Parvatasana. Hold Parvatasana firmly, pressing your heels, keeping your knees straight. Maintain normal and natural breath. Separate your fingers, press your palms properly. Look towards your navel. Hold, hold. 10, 9, 8. You're strong, you can hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the right foot forward. Place your left knee on the mat. Look up and hold. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take the right foot back again. Come to Parvatasana and hold. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now slowly move the left foot forward. Right knee on the mat. Look up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring the right foot also forward. So feet together in this manner. Head in. Palms by the side of the feet. Hold. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now stretch your arms sideways, move your upper body up. Take your arms up above the head, interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up. Look towards one point at your eye level. Move your heels up and hold. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Down. Now separate your legs, shoulder level distance between the feet. Inhale in the center, exhale down on the right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Now inhale center, exhale right and hold. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale center, exhale on the left. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, release. Now extend your arms in front of you at shoulder level. Exhale, twist back. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, twist back. Inhale center, exhale back. Inhale center, exhale back. Inhale center, exhale back. Slowly start increasing the pace of the practice. Exhaling faster. Inhaling shorter. Exhale, exhale, exhale. A short inhalation. You don't have to stop in the middle. Keep twisting. Exhale, 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 exhale. Inhalation will start happening on its own. Keep practicing. Exhale, exhale, exhale. So the breathing will be like okay, now hold. Hold on the right side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale center, exhale on the other side. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, release. Now the last asana, Utkat Asana. Keeping your feet together, bend your knee, inhaling, raising your arms up, looking up, hold. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Up, inhale, exhale, release. And relax. Relax in Shavasana with your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky. Allow your whole body to relax in Shavasana. Relax at least for 5 minutes. Always remember, Shavasana at the end is very essential, so never skip it. I hope you enjoyed this session with me. Thank you so much. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.